Today I'm going to be taking you onto the Crib Goch, one of the most exposed ridgelines in all of the UK. It's a knife-edge rock with brutal drops and sensational views over Snowdonia. Step onto the ridge in this video. Today, taking on Snowdon via the Crib Goch. So, little walkthrough as always, essentially what the track and the climb looks like. Start directly from the car park. Same as always on previous videos, link to the car park will be there. I did not park at the car park myself. I done a park and ride for a £5 because the parking is £25. Follow the pig track sign, which eventually leads on to Crib Goch. Have I gone past it? Sorry, I had to cut the video there. I thought I've gone past it, and I have. But most videos I watch on YouTube over-dramatise it. They put a huge fisheye lens on it. I mean, this is already wide on this video. So I'll try to put it as normal when you're in the actual ridge so you can see it. I think this is it. I'm pretty sure it is. About here. There used to be a sign, I think, somewhere around here from videos saying danger. And also, because I haven't got my helmet today, views are going to be different. Most of it's going to be handheld. Or, I've got a little clip on my bag. So it'll be from chest height around here. Might have to put it down. And here it is. So I take it we're going to be going straight up there and up to the ridge. My scramble starts here. End of route. Directly up to the top of the ridge. Met a lovely gentleman just now. I've gone past him. We're talking about how ridiculous the car prices are at the main car park. £25 for 6 hours. If you go over 6 hours, it's 35. And we're just talking. He's parked somewhere for free, walked up. I done the park and ride for a £5. But extortionate prices, really. Right, here we go. Here's the start of the ridge. Gotta watch your footing. So first time on this, but I did think people dramatise it a little bit. I know it's still obviously very tall, very sharp ridge. I thought because of people's wide lenses, it's going to be nowhere near as sharp as videos look, but put you back in my mouth, but it is, so if you're not comfortable with it, bear that in mind. Make sure every hold is solid, because if you do make a silly mistake, it could be fatal. Would be nice if I could actually see anything. Right, that's one part of the ridge done. Got another bit. The end of this ridge. Well, that was lovely. Bit of wildlife, mountain goats. But essentially, yeah, pretty sure that's the scramble done. Maybe a few odd bits there and there, but no serious ridges from what I've read and what I've seen. But yeah, that was good. That was really fun. The actual ridge is not that long, and so if you want to try it, decent shoes, head for heights and exposure, and just be very careful when you step, and you'll be absolutely solid doing it. You don't have a problem. Make sure the weather conditions are fine, because I could imagine in wind, rain, and some serious cloud, that would not be fun. Mate, in all honesty, I veered off the path, the ridge path, because it looked like I was following a main path, and eventually I've ended up about here somewhere. So in between the fucking pig track and main track up there. So I don't know, I'm still following what looks like some kind of a trail. Just see where it brings me out. Right, scramble my way to the top now. So on top of that ridge line that Crib Goch is on. It says on trails that this is an actual path. Don't see anyone up here. It looks like it kind of ends there. So I guess you gotta restart scramble. Let's have a look. My bad. There's people behind me, that's a good sign. A little bit more happier now. Let's have a look. Diesel. Had to make up my own scramble. Here's one summit. We go up to Snowdon. I won't be touching the summit on that one because there's usually massive queues of people waiting to take a picture. So I'll just go up, film it, turn straight back around. There is the long famous queue of people. Spider-Man as well, but it is what it is. I'm more than happy just to go around it, do a circle around the summit post. Right, so here it is. That was a Crib Goch to the car, or to the bus, into the car. Choose. And there it goes. There's my lift. Here's my whip. 5-hour drive back home now. Ooh, how lovely. Bike's still here. No one's robbed it from cycling yesterday. Great stuff.